Hello and welcome to another Soulframe video where I'm going to be showing you how to use your sidearm weapon. Here I'm using a bow as my main weapon, as you can see, and by pressing the key R you're going to switch or toggle to your sidearm. In this case I have a short blade for close combat, and you're going to see that you have, for example, blocking with this, which I don't have with the bow. I have this on the right click to be able to aim, but then with the sidearm I can block, or I can also hold with the middle button of your mouse a strong attack, which, for example, with the Flyblades will be a special Flyblade throwing attack. Yep, this is how to use your sidearm. For being able to use it, you're gonna have to equip it, which is here on your stash, and you're gonna go to the elbow of your left arm, in this case displayed on the right. You're gonna see on the hand you have the weapon, and here you have the sidearm, right? In this case mine is not attuned to the same as the weapon, so it's not doing so much damage. Maybe you want to use another one that is attuned to the same attribute or virtue in this case. I hope this video was helpful. If it wasn't helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving me a like. It really helps me out to make these videos. See you until next time.